Start by making sure all the parts are accounted for. Then take the battery cover off and plug in the power wire. This is how the wiring should look on this vehicle. Next, grab the motors for the vehicle, slide them onto the axle, and then feed the motor through and make sure the wire goes into the battery box. Do this on both sides. Next, plug the motors in. Then power the vehicle on and make sure the radio control feature is turned off. Make sure the shift is in the forward direction and press the pedal and make sure that the motors are turning in the correct direction as the shift is placed. Place the battery cover back on. Then start with the rear wheel assembly. Insert the nylon washer, then place the wheel on the axle, followed by the hubcap, then a metal washer, then the nylon lock nut. Repeat on both sides. Then go to the rear of the vehicle, hold on one side, and then tighten on the other. This way the axle won't roll and the nylon lock nuts will be secured correctly. Front wheel assembly. Insert the nylon washers on each side. Slide a metal washer on, followed by the wheel, then the hubcap, then one more metal washer, then the nylon lock nut. Tighten and repeat on both sides. Assemble the remote control. Then test the remote control functions by using the keypad on the remote. Next, install the steering wheel. To simply slide it on, then slide the machine screw through the steering rod, followed by the backing nut. Tighten with a screwdriver. Simply pop the windshield on, place the seat in, place the two screws in the seat, then place the trunk lid on and simply lock in place. The spoiler simply snaps on. Then place the hubcaps on all four wheels. Then test the vehicle to make sure all the functions operate correctly. Plug in the charger and charge overnight. Thanks for watching.